Hi viewers! Welcome back to my channel HMKsuper.cars. Hope you are well and enjoying the supercars exciting videos on my channel HMKsuper.cars. We've all seen how fast the McLaren 765LT can be in various drag races against other supercars. Time and time again, it has managed to take down most, if not all of its competitors. But today, it's on a different mission. Its driver is going to set it loose on the Autobahn, or it can stretch its legs as it sees fit. And the goal is the same always, going beyond 200 miles per hour, 321 kilometers per hour. Before hitting the play button, let's have a brief look at the specs of McLaren's almost legendary vehicle. The 765LT was introduced in March of 2020 and is a limited version of the 720S. The British manufacturer has only made 765 units, and we are talking about a track-oriented beast here. Now, a 720S makes use of a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 that churns out 710 horsepower and 568 pound-foot, 770 nanometers of torque. But engineers took the heat up a notch with the 765LT. This time you're looking at 755 horsepower and 590 lb-ft, 800 newton-meters of torque. Even so, the 720S has a slightly higher top speed at about 212 miles per hour, 341 kilometers per hour. The 765LT has to deal with added drag, which has certain benefits, but ends up with a top speed of 205 miles per hour, 330 kilometers per hour. The guys at Autotop.nl have been lucky enough to test both cars out on the German highway, so we can compare the results. From a standstill up to 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, the 765LT is 0.57 faster than the 720S. Looking at the time required by the two cars to go from 62 miles per hour to 124 miles per hour, 200 kilometers per hour, the 765LT is once again faster by 0.42 seconds. If you would have these cars go up against each other down the quarter mile, 402 meters, the 765LT will dip below the 10-second mark, and the gap would be as big as 0.58 seconds. Ultimately, this test concludes with the 765LT topping out at 202 miles per hour, 326 kilometers per hour, as seen on the speedometer. But looking at the Draghi app, you can notice it says 195 miles per hour, 315 kilometers per hour. This car needed just over 1 mile, 1.6 kilometers to get up to that speed. If you're keen on getting your hands on a 765LT, you'd better be ready to spend as much as $600,000 for one. We know that's not cheap, but it's still nowhere near as expensive as a P1 is. So guys, how do you feel about the video and information I shared? If you like it, please subscribe, like, and comment. In the upcoming videos we'll explore more about the most expensive hypercars by Lamborghini, Bugatti and Pagani. Till then, take care and goodbye.